Alright guys, if you are new to the channel, this is my 2019 Mustang GT. Currently just have a muffler and an X-pipe, nothing too crazy. But it is pretty loud, and it has some crazy loud downshifts, as you guys will see right now in the next clips. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up on this video and comment down below what car you got. If you have a Mustang, let me know what exhaust setup you got. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, that's just the muffler and an X-pipe. So all right, so I will be doing a pull for you guys right now. So yeah, that's just with the muffler and the X-pipe. Like I said, it does roar and has some crazy downshifts. So it does roar for sure. So yeah guys, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this setup. Like I said, nothing too crazy, but it is like loud, like as loud as like an exhaust setup, you know, which I like it. But I'm thinking of also getting a full exhaust setup instead of just having a muffler and an X-pipe. But in the meantime, I will be keeping this setup just in the meantime till I get a full exhaust. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think of the setup. And like I said, once again, subscribe and like this video for more videos.